Lots of final expense plans exist, but there are three big advantages that only the Funeral Advantage program offers. Let's look at what makes the Funeral Advantage program the leading burial insurance program in the nation. Advantage number 1, easy qualification. Most people qualify for Funeral Advantage even with prior health issues. This means we can insure people who struggle to find affordable coverage with other companies because of their health. They may be overweight or have a medical history that makes it difficult for them to qualify with other companies. Funeral Advantage is different because we don't require a medical exam to qualify, just health questions on our easy one-page application. One of the reasons to have final expense insurance is to help take the burden off of your loved ones when it comes to paying for a funeral. But some burial plans can take weeks or even months before they pay.
So that leaves the beneficiaries, or the ones responsible, left behind in a very awkward position because they're expecting to have funds to take care of that funeral.
Advantage number 2. Funeral Advantage pays approved claims within 24 hours.
It really wasn't even 24 hours. It didn't take 24 hours to pay the funeral director. It was minutes.
Advantage number 3. Family support. When a loved one dies, families can fall victim to emotional overspending on funerals. After all, very few of us know how much a funeral should cost or what steps we should take. That's why Funeral Advantage provides families with a dedicated funeral expert. Just one phone call will put everything into action and help make sure your loved ones don't overpay for funeral services. To protect your loved ones from overspending, every life insurance policy from Funeral Advantage includes free membership in the Funeral Consumer Guardian Society. They'll help protect your loved ones from unnecessary costs and help guide them through the process.
They, more often than not, have no idea where to go next, who to call, what the next steps of the process are. There's families that call us before they've called 911.
I could barely get the words out to talk, to tell them what happened, and they immediately said, sorry for your loss. And to me, that was huge. Somebody acknowledging that it was the biggest loss of my life.
So what we are is we become an advocate for the consumer. On the worst day of their lives, we help them through that funeral process. We help the family work within their budget to be able to find funeral services that they can afford and be able to get the services that they actually want.
The Funeral Advantage program provides affordable options for final expense life insurance that most anyone can get. If you are between the ages of 40 and 85, request a free quote from the Funeral Advantage program today.